Okay, now we're selling where this candle closes. Oh, yeah. What's going on, everybody? It's Treyding here, and today we are upping our share size for our trades. As you guys saw on Friday's video, we reached over $1,000 in net profit for the month of March, and that was kind of my achievement milestone unlocked to go up the next level of share size. So today, trading our system, we are trading 100 shares of SPY at a time. This is the largest positions I've ever taken. But we earned it. You know, we've proven, we've done a proof of concept forward testing the system. Obviously, we know it makes money. We know it's consistent now. Over the last 30 days, a lot of trades on a 1-minute chart. We know it's consistent. It's time to do that. So you guys are going to see more money flying around now in these videos, in these live day trade recaps. So I hope you're excited for that. If you are, hit the like button. If you're new around here, hit that red subscribe button. Now I know you guys want to know how it went. So let's go look at the live trades. But the next bar, oh wait, this bar is actually getting close now. The way this is breaking, okay, this is now a long candle. Yep, we are long here. This did. I was just talking about how the next candle was going to come up here, but this candle ended up breaking down. We are long 100 shares at 452.31. Apologies that TOS is not showing my trades. See if I can refresh quickly. There it is. There we go. There's the trade, 452.31. First trade on increased share size. Let's see how it goes. Coming our direction immediately, but obviously, as you guys know, we are not looking to sell until it breaks up levels, so we're actually pretty far away from selling right now. I believe it is this candle, the high, that we are looking to sell. So for the next, for the next 4 minutes, realistically, our sell condition is round about this line. Obviously, it'll go a little higher, a little lower. Roundabout up here, though, is our sell condition for the next 4 minutes. Let's see. That would, I mean, shoot, from here, that would be a really nice move up. That'd be like an $80, $90 win if it makes that move right now. We'll see, though. See what happens. Take the trades like you're supposed to take them. Yes, we're sizing up. Yes, it's larger share size, but it's not like panicky or anything because we're still just trading the same system, right? Here we go. Nice move up, 45 bucks up. But we're not, don't flex unrealized gains. We're not selling yet, so we're not up anything, so we're not selling, so. What if you dropped your size to 50 and set up the algorithm to take 2 separate entries? I have tried that in my testing and it makes it worse. I have tried that though. To do half share size twice. If it meets the condition for both bars, do the entrances twice, yeah. I've tried that. Sold my Twitter calls for 900%. Caulk too big. Congratulations. Wow. Congratulations, man. Obviously, yeah. Elon Musk investing in Twitter. Huge run up. Calls, brilliance. Very nice, dude. Congrats. 900%. Wow. That's awesome. I love seeing you guys make money. I really do. Our trade, obviously, we were nice and green there for a sec. We are still green, but not getting the big continuation after this green bar. Not yet, at least. Sell condition still up and around here. Still up and around here. It's a little bit higher. It's a little bit higher now, but still up around this area. Still needs to break over this kind of area to get out of the trade. Here we go. Back up over 40 bucks. It would be nice to add seconds till bar close somewhere. What do you mean? So like you guys can see? Yeah, I wish you could. I can see there's a clock on TOS, but it's all the way up top. And it's very small. I do wish that there was like a clock widget that I could add. I've tried to find one. I haven't found a great way to make it work yet. So that, yeah, so that you guys can see like when the bar is about to close. Okay. Our sell condition still up here. I believe, actually, I know. We are now looking at this bar, though. So we're now looking at the last kind of bar up here. So now our sell condition over the next couple of minutes is going to start coming down if we don't obviously break up first. Can't you add a small part of your screen with OBS? Yeah, I could screen capture the clock with OBS. I could. Actually, you know what? That wouldn't be all that hard to do. It wouldn't be that hard to do. I'll do it. I'll try to see if I can get it set up after this trade. I want to pay attention to the trade while I'm in it, but this bar does close right now. Okay. I lied. I lied to you, by the way. This bar, we are now looking here. We're now looking here on this bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. Break the high of 8 bars back for our sell condition. So now we are looking at this high bar, and then we're going to start coming down. Ooh, there you go. Nice push. High of move since we got in. Not selling yet, though, so no need to start celebrating yet, but nice push. What up, Trey Dizzle? What up, Richie? How you doing? Our first larger size trade is, I mean, we're not getting dumped into, at least. Or green, we'll see what happens, though, right? We're not, you can't start celebrating green until it actually meets your sell condition, but at least we didn't, at least our first, ow, excuse me, I've got this, sorry, cough right now. At least our first sized up trade didn't just immediately dump into us, right? That would have been really annoying. At least we're getting some survivability here. Okay, our sell condition is now starting to come down a bit, so we're actually much closer. Just need a small breakup here. The Qs are bussing. Is NASDAQ crushing? Nice. So your tech should be strong. Yeah. Tech is the Qs. Yeah, Apple's up to 176. What else? Meta. Yeah, Meta's up 2%. Amazon's up 1/3%. Our trade's starting to roll a little bit now. It's unfortunate. Right when the sell condition finally starts getting closer, now we want to roll. That's unfortunate. But like I said, it wasn't time to celebrate yet, right? Because we weren't getting out of the trade, so. LGVN pump incoming? You reckon? Getting all the shorts baked in. Okay, now our sell condition is down here. So our sell condition is actually pretty close now. Ooh, very close. That did not quite break. Okay, now we're selling where this candle closes. Oh, yeah. Sick. We're only 20 seconds to this candle. I'm selling half here. I'm selling half into the spike. We're 30 seconds through this bar, and that's a big spike. Selling half. Still in 50 shares. Very, very nice. The first sized up trade. First time we've taken 100 shares. The largest share position we've taken. Looks like it's going to be an $80+ winner. Well, there's still 13 seconds, but let's go for a $90+ winner. Come on. Over 80? Out here. So sick. First sized up trade, $87 win. Okay, we are long here. 100 shares, 454.44. Finally into another trade. We got out of that last trade at 9:41. It is 10:09. SPY's just been so strong. Just hasn't been dip ops to buy. No dip opportunities to buy. For the strategy's sake, at least. Now, since we broke the low of this bar, we are back in the trade to the bull side. Looking to just break the high of consolidation. Looking to break the consolidation high here before we get out. So we're not actually looking up for a whole heck of a lot right here, but who knows? Since we don't sell to the close of the bar, you could get a big rip. Anything could happen. Oh, it's a setting. Oh, okay. It wasn't a study. It was a chart setting. That's why. Chart settings, equities, show sentiment. Huh. That's interesting. I did not know that existed on TOS. Today I learned that social sentiment was a setting that you could see for equities on TOS. Okay. First bar is over of our trade, and it's indecision. Little red right now. Not a whole lot happening, though. Not too surprising, considering we've been chopping for a little while. It's going to continue to chop potentially here for a couple more minutes. Or we're going to get dumped into. Let's see. Nope. Still chopping us around. Now back to break even. Yep, just riding out this chop for a little bit. Well, obviously, we'll we'll ride it out for as long as we have to until it breaks up and we get a chance to sell. Maybe that'll be here for profit. Maybe it'll be down here if we get dumped into. Let's hope we don't get dumped into, but let's trade the system no matter what, right? Trade the system no matter what. What's the beauty? What's the beauty of having a system, chat? We don't have to think. We just get in where you're supposed to, get out where you're supposed to. That's it. That's all you do. Look at UTHR go. Someone was talking about UTHR in pre-market this morning. We were looking at this stock. What the no volume movement is this? Oop, here we go. Look at our trade. Starting to spike up for us a little bit. Not a sell candle yet, but we're getting close. Getting close. Almost up $100 on the day. Well, no, we're not. Don't flex on realized gains. We could still get rolled over into here. I think I say that like every trade. It's probably getting annoying, but my green screen is way too far back. The beauty is you can get negative without affecting the results. Huh? What? Okay, this is now a sell candle. We did just break up above this high. So in 50 seconds, we are selling this bar. Unfortunately, no continuation through the high. Wow. Nice. Good. Yeah. Big. Yeah. Cool. We are the system doesn't sell until the close of the bar. It did break that high level though. So wherever this bar closes now in 30 seconds, as you can now see above me up there, we are out of this trade. There we go. There we go. Let's try to push up a little bit, shall we? Shall we? No. Wow. What in the volatility is this candle? I mean, cool. Looks like it's going to be a bit of a nothing trade. What the world? Wow. Okay, this candle's all over the shop. I mean, I'm out. I made like $2 in that trade. Wow, that was a candle and a half. Okay. Cool. That was a nothing trade. It was basically nothing. Oh, this is a long candle again, though. This is a long candle again, though, obviously. Now we are breaking down again. This is a long candle again. What in the volatility? Dude, it was like, we're out. Yay. Oh, we're breaking down. Oh, we're breaking back up. Oh, God, rip. What the hell is going on? Yep, this is now breaking down levels. So in 30 seconds, we are long. It's a little scary. SPY is way up. The consolidated, it is now breaking the low of that consolidation. Looks a little scary to be longing, but what's the point? What's the point of having a system? Takes that human emotion out of it, right? Take the human emotion out of it and take the trades. Well, if the system is profitable, take the trades where you're supposed to, right? You can't just do that with any random ass system. You got to make sure the system's profitable first. But we do have a profitable system, so even though this does look a little scary to buy, I am still long here at 452.03 or 0291. 100 shares. Have immediate resolution in our direction, but obviously we're not selling until it breaks up here, so nothing to celebrate yet. Up triple digits on the day, though. Flexing unrealized gains once again. Yeah, this is scary, right? This is scary. SPY is up big, it consolidated for a while, and then it broke down that consolidation. Most people, and I would honestly agree, from a human perspective, this looks like, breaking down a consolidation level after a big run. It's probably due for a longer pullback. But I have an edge, I have a system that I trust that take this trade, so I take this trade. Right? Take all the human emotions and thinking out of it. Now, that's not to say we can't still lose in this trade. That's not to say this trade is going to win. There's a good chance we lose this trade. There's a 33% chance we lose this trade, right? No. Yes. I have a 67% win rate. That's 33% lose rate, right? Yeah. So, once again, the importance of knowing the numbers too, right? Let's see. Just drawing back onto us a little bit here. Just about break even. Well, now we are break even in the trade now. That candle didn't know what to do with itself. Oh, this one here? Yeah, that was an interesting... it was a very interesting end to this trade. It's like, yay, we're up 30 bucks. Oh my gosh, we're down 10 bucks. Yay, we're back up 20. Now we're break even, and we got out break even. Okay, cool. It was all over the shop there, that candle was. Red in this trade. What in the volatility is going on here, Chad? Yeah, the first trade we took, we caught a nice big move relatively quickly. Since then, these next two trades have both been not immediate deciders, not immediately playing out for us, but that we don't care, right? We don't care, we don't mind. What emote is that? Her salute is sloppy. Tell Winnie the Pooh she needs to just clean up her salute. Okay. Small red here. So we are getting that. We are getting that continuation. Broke down, getting some continuation to the downside potentially, but trust the system. Whoa, the Kingslayer. What up, my guy? Thank you for the follow. Appreciate that. Woo! Dump into me. Here we go. Remember when I said this trade was scary? I don't care though. Really don't. Trade the system. EVGO 30% short interest. Oh, really? Is it moving? It is moving. What's the float? It's not trading. It's not. Doesn't look like a short squeeze yet. It's not getting like that acceleration, like bull or green acceleration when you start to see shorts covering. Does it have a high float? The classic big SPY move up and roll over. Yeah, it would be interesting to test if SPY makes X percentage of move. Maybe don't buy the next dip, because this does seem to happen to us. I don't want to say a lot. Obviously, we still make money, but you know, when SPY makes this kind of crazy move, that we only took one trade. The first, when was this next trade? The first 40 minutes of market open, we only took one trade because SPY was so strong. It didn't give any dips, right? So maybe after a huge move like that, you don't look to buy the first dip. Once again, it's something you test. Prove it in the strategy. Prove it in the system. I haven't found anything like that makes the system more profitable as of yet, but not to say it's not out there. Not at all saying there's no ways we can make this system more profitable. Not at all saying that. Just trading it in its current state. And obviously making money in its current state, but there might be ways we can still find to continue to further make this better, continue to further make it more profitable. But once again, what do we not do? We don't do that during market open, right? Because then you start to make emotional decisions. Kind of like, I mean, the whole reason we're talking about that is because we're red in a trade, right? And you don't want to start going, oh my God, you were red in one trade, or you gotta change the system. You gotta change the system, right? It's like the opposite of what you want to be doing. Trying to find a good way to backtest strategies based on consolidation. How do you define consolidation programmatically? I don't really know, because like you can define trends, because you could go like if X bars back under or over X bars back. Defining consolidation is harder. By the way, we are now back to break even in this trade. We're no longer red in this trade. Hold through the pain. No need to panic sell at lows. This does not at all mean that we can't still get rolled over into, remember, but our sell condition is currently this bar. So it's currently this bar right here. So the next bar we come down, and then the next bar we come way down. So we're about to start coming down too over the next few bars. Elliott wave theory, maybe? Sure, but he's asking how can you do it with code, right? How can you define consolidation with code? I'm not sure. ATR doesn't ATR, the average true range, doesn't that study show you the volatility? So like maybe if ATR, you see, look at how low ATR got here during this consolidation, right? So you could use this, you could say if ATR is below XX, whatever, because then you would know that the ticker has been consolidating. That's what ATR does. It's definition of volatility. So, well, not of volatility. It's average true range of candles. So if the range of the candles is small, ATR is small. Also, it's most likely consolidating if the range of the candles is small, right? So that's one way you could go about it, is using ATR. Okay, we are getting close to this being an exit candle, as our exit strat is now here. And we're actually up 25 bucks in this trade. Don't know why. Mark Douglas talks about Elliott wave casualties being traders who spend all their time on analysis. It's like analysis paralysis, right? Analysis paralysis is talked about a lot in a lot of different things. Not just trading, but it is big in trading too. I think with technical analysis, if you start to over technically analyze, I could make any chart look bullish or bearish with technical analysis. I truly believe I could do that. And that's, so you want to keep yourself away from over technically analyzing like that, right? Our sell condition is now here. So we are close to getting, we just need a small little break up here and we'll be getting out of this trade. There we go. Okay, we are now getting out of this trade wherever this bar closes. This is a really nice push. I'm actually going to take half into this because this is a really nice push. There is 35 seconds left in the bar. Elliott wave people that I've seen are profitable. They are trading based on other principles. Yeah, but it doesn't matter what you use to be profitable. Use whatever you want. If I've literally seen people that talk about the moon cycles, they literally trade based on moon cycles, which is dumb as shit in my head. But if you use it and you make money, who gives a fuck? Use it, make money. As long as you can prove it's profitable. That's the important part that I try to preach. Prove profitability. I don't give a flying F how you do it. I want you to make money. Just make sure before you start trying to do it that you prove it. That's all I'm saying. I don't give a damn what you do. Why would I care? Just make money. But prove that it's profitable. If you can somehow prove moon cycle's edge in the markets, then do it. Whatever. By the way, we are out of that trade. Didn't end up being a win. So, what were we talking about? Oh man, maybe we were right. Maybe I shouldn't buy this dip. Just kidding. Trust the system. Right. There you go. What was that? That was like shoot. That was actually like a $40 win, wasn't it? Alrighty, so that wraps up the first hour of live trades today. And as you can see, we're just going to go right from this screen. Those have been the only trades I have taken today. We are up $125.02 in 3 trades. 3 trades, we made $125 this morning. Obviously, we sized up. You're going to see more money flying around faster, and there was a good representation of that. Luckily, my first day being sized up was a green day. It was nothing crazy, but still being up $125 in that quickly is very, very nice. Oftentimes, there's a little bit of, it feels like when you size up, you're like, oh my gosh, it's probably going to be a red day because I sized up. But once again, when you have a system, trade the system. That's all you're going to do anyway is trade the system. So there's no overthinking the sizing up or anything like that. I still just traded the system. We made triple digits in profit. Had a really, really solid day. Let's go ahead and bring over the trader view stats now. You can see the last 30 days. We are up $1,147, which is awesome. Look at these last 4 days. Last 4 days have been a rocket ship, over $100 each day. Obviously, this won't continue. There's no guarantee that I'm going to make money. Red days will come. But still, these last 4 days look brilliant, look awesome. It's been a great run. So just really, really, really solid. Actually, the win rate today was 100%. We won all 3 of our trades. Even though one of them was kind of small, we still won all 3 of our trades. Let's go over to the detailed. You all can look at these stats if you want. Still trading at a 66% win rate, which is really nice. If any of these stats are more exciting to you, you can pause the video and look at them if you would like. But yeah, that is going to be the video today. Once again, $1,100 up. Today we're up $125 just trading the system. Nice and easy. We built the system. We trade it. I've given you guys this system for free, and we trade it. And this is what our actual equity curve looks like, which is at the end of the day what matters, right? So yeah, hopefully you guys are continuing to enjoy this series, continuing to enjoy the daily uploads of my live day trades every single day, utilizing this system and learning the importance and how to build the system yourself alongside so that you guys can get your equity curves looking like this. With that being said, hit the like button if you did enjoy it. It really does help. If you're new around here, hit that red subscribe button. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and sign out of this video. I will catch you all in the next one.